If you're struggling to keep your team communication smooth, SuiteDash might be the solution. In this quick explainer, we'll dive into how SuiteDash helps manage team communication effectively and highlight some key features you need to know. Stick around till the end because we'll share an exclusive free trial link, plus some great alternatives that might work better for your team's needs. First, SuiteDash offers an all-in-one platform combining project management, client communication, and internal team messaging in one place. This means you don't need to juggle between multiple tools like Slack, Asana, or email. Having everything under one roof not only streamlines communication, but also ensures you never miss a beat. Whether it's team discussions, client communication, or tracking progress, everything's accessible in real time. And if you're using other software, you're probably already aware of how many tools you need to manage just to stay on top of things. Next, SuiteDash's communication tools make collaborating with your team straightforward. It includes internal messaging channels, task assignment features, and a calendar that everyone can sync with. No more hunting for messages or losing track of deadlines. You can assign tasks with clear instructions, update them in real time, and get instant feedback. But here's the catch: while SuiteDash integrates everything into one platform, its messaging system can feel a bit clunky compared to specialized tools like Slack, which is known for its user-friendly interface. The third thing you should know about SuiteDash is its customizable client portals. This gives your clients direct access to the information they need while still maintaining a secure communication channel. You can share files, update project statuses, and even chat with clients, all from one central hub. However, there's a downside to this feature. The learning curve can be steep for both you and your clients. Plus, the user interface may feel dated compared to more modern communication tools. Next, SuiteDash includes automation tools to streamline your workflows. This means you can automate routine tasks like sending reminders or assigning follow-up actions, so your team can focus on the important stuff. But as efficient as these automations are, they can be a bit rigid. The customization options are somewhat limited, so if you need advanced workflows, SuiteDash might not give you the full flexibility you're looking for. Moving on, SuiteDash also offers an in-depth reporting system. You can track team performance, communication efficiency, and project statuses in real time, which is crucial for teams looking to stay on top of their goals. But here's the drawback: while the reports are comprehensive, they can be overwhelming to navigate for smaller teams or those who don't need that level of detail. Now, while SuiteDash is great for centralized communication, it's important to consider if it's the best choice for your specific team goals. If you're looking for a more intuitive, communication-first platform, alternatives like Slack, Microsoft Teams, or Monday.com might be worth exploring. These tools specialize in communication and collaboration and might offer a smoother, more flexible user experience, especially for larger teams or those that need more advanced integrations. So, here's the deal: through our exclusive link, you'll get access to an extended free trial of SuiteDash, giving you time to explore its features and see if it's a good fit for your team. But before you make your decision, we also recommend checking out those alternative platforms we mentioned earlier. They have their own free trials and might suit your communication goals better. Make sure to click the link in the description for the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers.